This anime cooking trend is exploding, and I'm going to create one from scratch using AI without filming a single real cooking shot. And this is the final result. Every ingredient, cooking movement, character, and camera shot was created with AI. Anime cooking and food ASMR are becoming a powerful combination. They create a perfect combination for short-form content. Step 1 is simple. Choose a dish. For this experiment, I'm going with something visually satisfying: Japanese ramen. Next, I use ChatGPT to create the entire cooking storyboard, from ingredients and preparation to cooking, plating, and the final bite. But there's one problem. I create fixed character and kitchen references, because in AI video, details can change. Hair, clothes, and utensils might shift. Use references for consistency. Now I take these storyboard scenes and turn them into short video clips using Google Flow. And that's the basic workflow: video, idea, storyboard, consistent images, AI video generation, and finally editing. The final step is editing. Trim the clips, match the cooking sounds to every action, and remove anything that feels artificial. Funds make contractions. For cooking ASMR, sound is just as important as the visuals. The sizzling, chopping, and pouring should feel almost real. And this is where things get interesting. The same workflow can be used to create recipe shorts, food channels, visual storytelling, or branded food content. The tools can change over time, but the workflow stays the same. Plan with AI, create consistent visuals, animate them, then edit to a story. If you want, I can also share the complete master prompt I used to build this anime cooking workflow. Subscribe to ZxAI Labs for more practical AI experiments.